Is your precision balance giving unstable or inaccurate readings? You're not alone. Most weighing problems have simple solutions. Air drafts, vibration, temperature changes, and static electricity are some of the biggest reasons precision balances lose accuracy. Always place your precision balance on a stable, vibration-free surface and keep it away from fans, windows, and direct airflow. Regular calibration with certified calibration weights is essential to maintain accurate and repeatable measurements. If your balance doesn't return to zero, clean the weighing pan and remove any dust or residue from the weighing chamber. Static electricity can cause fluctuating readings, especially when weighing plastic containers or lightweight samples. Using anti-static devices and maintaining proper humidity can solve this problem. Never overload your precision balance. Exceeding its maximum capacity can permanently damage the weighing system and reduce accuracy. Always place samples in the center of the weighing pan and wait for the reading to stabilize before recording the measurement. Routine maintenance, regular cleaning, and proper environmental control help extend the life of your precision balance while reducing downtime. Choosing the right precision balance for your laboratory or industrial application improves efficiency, accuracy, and long-term performance. Small weighing errors can lead to product quality issues, failed experiments, and compliance problems, making proper balance care more important than ever. Read the complete guide on DSC balances to learn the most common precision balance problems and the easy solutions that keep your weighing equipment performing at its best.